What's up YouTube fam?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today, you know, since we're in quarantine, since we ain't got nothing else to do, we can't go outside, you just stuck in your house, I decided that I'm going to do a mask on my hair. To be more specific, I'm going to do the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. So stay tuned. Y'all know I consider myself a lazy natural. I don't like doing hair masks, like especially if I have to like make the mask myself. I just like everything to be easy peasy. But since we're stuck inside anyway, I mean, like, I'm working from home. I'm doing pretty much everything from home now. I ain't got nothing to do. Like, I might as well. I have the time. So, and besides just being stuck at home, another reason why I wanted to do this is because I've heard other people say that doing this mask is like pressing reset on your hair, or it's like a reboot to your hair. And my hair has been feeling, I don't know if it's like just a lot of product buildup on my hair or what. Like, when I do my wash and goes, it still looks good. Like, it looks good, but I know it could be better. Like, my hair just feels like weighed down or something. Like, it just doesn't feel right. It looks good, but it doesn't feel right, you know? So that's why I wanted to try this. Hopefully it'll work. I know people say that once they do this, it's like their curls become more defined, they're more moisturized, and it's like without any product, your hair just pops. Like, it's just like pressing the reset button on your hair. So I do have my little plastic bowl here. I did read that you want to make sure that you don't use like any metal, like a metal bowl or like a metal spoon, anything you're mixing with. Like, do not use metal at all, because they say that the metal will make the clay less effective and it'll basically lessen its magnetic charge or something like that. So whatever. I've been watching a couple videos. I've seen people just like eyeballing it. I did see one girl, she started off with like a cup of the clay, so that's what I'm going to do because she has a lot of hair. Ooh, she had a lot of hair and I do too. So I have my measuring thing, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna, let me just pour this in here. I'm gonna do a cup.
Hold up.
Cup might be too much, but I'm gonna go with it. If I have anything extra, I'll just put it on my face because this is good for your skin too. So I have my cup of clay. I'm just going to pour it on in here. You'll see that? You'll see. Okay. And then they said that you can either use water or apple cider vinegar, but apple cider vinegar will give you better results. So I'm going to take my Bragg's raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar, but I don't have that much. Like, I probably have like this much left of it. And so I couldn't, the store I went to up the street, they didn't have any of this, so I just had to grab like the bootleg, not the bootleg, but you know, the off-brand filtered version. So hopefully it'll still work. I'm just gonna pour the rest of this in. Let's see, can y'all see? Y'all can't see. Oh, y'all, it's foaming. Oh, the apple cider vinegar stink. Yeah, y'all can't see, but it's like foaming and sizzling and bubbling, kind of like a like when you pour Coke or whatever. Man, it don't stink. Apple cider vinegar stink, y'all.
I don't want to be right here and stink.
Now I'm just stirring it up. Y'all, this is not it. And I'm just using a plastic knife to mix this. And as you can see, it is very chunky, so I still have to add way more vinegar. They said you want the consistency not to be too thick, but not too watery either. Kind of like the consistency of pancake batter is what I saw. So I'm gonna have to add some more apple cider vinegar to this, child. Now this is like a full science experiment I'm doing. Also, so while I'm stirring this up, it's getting less chunky, but it's still chunky. But anyway, as I'm stirring this up, have y'all watched the Madam C.J. Walker mini-series on Netflix yet? If you haven't, go watch it, y'all. It was good. And like, I've read like some of the reviews, like, you know, when people put out like the movie reviews or whatever, and I see a lot of people wasn't that impressed with it, but I thought it was good. I'm not looking too deep into it. It has Octavia Spencer in it. Octavia Spencer, she the one who played Madam C.J. Walker, and it had Tiffany Haddish, Blair Underwood. Like, it was a lot of people in there. Like, it was good. I enjoyed it. It's only like 4 episodes, and each episode is like maybe like 50 minutes or so. So again, while we quarantine, go watch it. I think this is good. Maybe it need to be a little bit more soupy. I don't think this is pancake batter. Can y'all see? I don't know, maybe I need to add a little bit more. So now they said you don't want it to be too hard because then it'll be hard to rinse it out later in the shower. You don't want it too thick. I'm gonna add a little bit more. So to recap this little mix, I added 1 cup of the clay mask, and then I'm just eyeballing the apple cider vinegar to get it to the consistency that I like. So I did wet my hair. Now the thing is, like, when you do research, everybody do their things a little bit differently. Some people say do not apply it to wet hair, make sure your hair is dry, and some people say make sure your hair is damp and it's just not soaking wet. But I went ahead and wet my hair because, guys, I haven't done anything to my hair. Like, my hair's been in a ponytail, a rinky-dink ponytail for like the past week and a half. Alright, so now that I have my hair section off, I'm going to detangle a little bit because, like I said before, I haven't combed my hair in like 2 weeks or maybe a week and a half. And so now I'm going to take this mask and just apply it to my hair. You want to make sure that you coat each and every strand. Like, you can't miss no spots with this. And definitely make sure that you get the roots of your hair. Alright, so it is in there, as you can see. Y'all, make sure when you do this, you wear a shirt that you don't care about, because I can tell this is going to get messy. Okay, y'all, so I have one section done, and it's taking me longer than I expected, but I think it's just only because I have to detangle my hair as well, because like I said, I haven't combed my hair in a minute, so it is taking me a while to detangle my hair. But once I'm putting it on there, oh my goodness, guys, like, my hair just with the mask is already becoming so defined. I don't know if you can see it, but look at it. This clay is defining my curls already. Like, only thing I need now is like a gel, a mousse, or something that can give me this same definition. I'm blown away already. But anyway, I'm going to keep going. Like, it's not really much to explain, not much to see. I'm just going through in small sections and applying it to my hair. So I will see you guys when I'm done with my complete head. Alright, y'all, so I have all of the mask in my hair. Y'all, that took way longer than I expected. It took me like an hour or something to put all that in my hair. But I think the 1 cup was the perfect amount because I only have like a little bit left. So 1 cup was perfect for me and my hair. So if you have a lot of hair, I would suggest that you start with the 1 cup of the healing clay. I feel like that was the perfect amount. So now that I have it in, I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Even though, shoot, the part in the back been sitting on my hair for about an hour already. But anyway, I'm gonna let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to jump in the shower and rinse it out. I'm gonna rinse it out in warm water. I'm not gonna record it because, y'all, I hate recording in the shower. So I'll be back once I'm done rinsing this out.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys, so I wanted to come to you all when I was fresh out the shower so you guys can see my hair. Y'all, this mask had me shook. When I was rinsing it out in the shower, my curls were just clumping together like they have never clumped before. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, they are a little separated now because I had to go in there with my hands to make sure that I get all of the clay out. So I kind of disrupted what the mask had going on because I had to make sure that all the stuff was out of my hair. But y'all, this thing is amazing. My hair felt soft and everything, and you don't have to shampoo with this mask because this mask clarifies your hair and clarifies your scalp for you. So yeah, all I did was go in the shower with warm water and I rinsed it out, and then I applied a leave-in conditioner, which I used the Lay's hair care leave-in conditioner for my hair. So that's all I have, and y'all, I am so, like, it's popping. Like, it's even making my hair in the front do a little bit more than it usually does because my hair in the front never just really goes right or never really pops. Like, the back of my hair, like this part right here, always, my hair right here always looks good. The curls are always popping, but right here, it needs a little help. But I could see it, like it's still not like how the back is, but I do see where it got a little push. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you trying this, especially if you're stuck at home and you don't have anything else to do. I really want to be the type of girl that does this hair mask once a month. Like, I want to be that girl. But I'm just going to keep it real, that's not me. The lazy girl in me, the procrastinator in me, is going to probably do this mask once a year or once every 6 months, just whenever I'm bored and I don't have anything to do. But if you're the type of person who can stay up on your stuff and you're not lazy like me and you're good at taking care of yourself, then definitely I would recommend to do this once a month. But yeah guys, this is my review on this. My hair looks amazing, it feels amazing. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.